Hey lovelies, today we'll be learning this simple fascinator. So here I make use of my 6 inches crinoline. I cut one for the bow and another one for the circled part. This first measurement is the one I cut out for the bow, and I cut out 40 inches for the bow. If you want more bow, you can increase the measurement. And for this round band, the round design on top as well, I cut out 30 inches. I cut out 30 inches for this. If you want more circle, if you want it bigger than this, you increase your measurement. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to iron out my crinoline. So here I'll be starting with the round part. I'll be starting with the small piece. So I'll fold the edge and iron this out. I fold the second part as well and iron the other parts out. You can fold it into two again and iron it out, or you can leave it like this, depends on what you want. And for the bow part too, I folded it into two and iron it out. Then you start creating your bow just like this. Just watch what I'm doing closely. I'm sure that you get it. You just create your bow like this. You create the second one. You make sure the second one comes out a bit bigger than the first one. It will come out a bit bigger than the first one. Then you fix the other one. You continue like that till you exhaust your crinoline. So this is what I have. I have like 3 steps. If you want more than 3 steps, you can just increase the length of your crinoline. Just tie and tack with your needle and thread. Make sure you tie it well to secure the crinoline very well. So with this, I'm done with the bow. If you want to attach it to your dress, you can attach this. If you want to attach it to your turban cap, you can attach it. Then to the round design, I've ironed it and I folded it into two. Then you start to create your circle, start to form a circle. So each step will be higher than each other. You see that the first one is smaller, then the next one will be bigger. Then to the next one again till you exhaust your crinoline. So if you want it bigger than this, you can increase your measurements. If you want more step, you can increase your measurement. For this measurement, I have just 3 steps. If you want more step, you just increase your measurements. So this is what I have. After tacking it together, this is what I have. So you attach it to your bow. You can place it at the front and you can place it at the back, anyhow you want to arrange it. You attach it with your needle and thread. Then you design it with any applique of your choice. You can attach this to your turban cap. You can fix your Alice band. You can fix your hairpin, anyhow you want to rock it. So after that, I attach my applique. You can see, and here is the final look of the fascinator. So simple, and you can do it within a short time. So here is the final look of my fascinator. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all for watching. See you in another tutorial. Bye.